Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to sign your PDF documents only with iPhone. So first thing we have to do is find the documents that we want to sign. So let's just find on the files. After you found the documents, you just need to open it. And now let's say I need to sign on these documents. So to do that, you just need to take a look on this bottom features. There will be like 4 options. So you just need to pick the pen symbols or pen icons right here, and after that you just need to go click this plus button, and you just need to go click add signature. If you already have the signature, you just need to go click them, and you just need to adjusting the place of the signature as well as the size of it into the specific positions that you want to have. But then what if you haven't had any signature? You just need to go click this bar. Go click this plus button, go click add signature, and you just need to go click add or remove the signature. If you want to add a new one, go click this plus button, and you just need to start scratching the screen with your signature. Let's say here the signature, my signatures here is gonna be like this. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. And you already got the new signature for the documents. So it makes your work much more easier and efficient. So whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and now the document is already signed. So that's the way how to sign your PDF documents only with iPhone, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.